We are going to be working on another project today. Here we have to split columns based on their names, addresses, age and gender. Go to your transform tab, go to split columns, click by delimiter, click on custom, type in name because that is what you want to work with first. So you type in the name, then split by name. Boom, we have an empty column right there. Then we have to delete that particular column. Now again, we go through the same process again to split column. Then we split by address. So now the name comes into a separate column. So we are going to have to type in address in this spot. Here we have it, our name on another column. Now next we go to the age. Now we have to now divide the delimiter by age or split by age. Boom. So that's what I'm going to do next. Now we are going to repeat the same process, custom, then we type in the age. Here we have it, another column separated. Now we have the address column. Now we are going to move forward to the gender. We have to split column by gender. So this is it, the same process. We go to custom, we type in gender. And there we have it, our columns are separated. We have the name, address, age and gender. What is left for us to now do is to rename the headers. And I hope you have learned something today. Watch out for another episode of working with Power Query. Thank you and see you next time.